Hello everyone, today I have a review of another two replicas of Shirogorov folding knives, model F7 and Astrium. Let's start with the F7 model. Total length is 22.3 cm, blade length is 9.5 cm, blade thickness is 3.7 mm. The steel is actually D2, but the blade markings are M390. Tempered between, tempered to approx 59 HRC. It's difficult to say what kind of grind it is. It looks like Scandi grind, but not quite Scandi. I don't know, flat grind. On the blade, the logo depicting bear's head. On the other, M390. Opening with a flipper. The knife runs on ball bearings. Frame lock. The handle is made of grey silver titanium, a yellow ring around the main axis screw, the blue titanium pocket clip, and a hole for paracord. Now the Astrium model. Total length is 22.6 cm, blade length is 10 cm. Blade thickness is 2.5 mm. The steel, the same as in its predecessor, D2, but with the blade markings M380, tempered to approx 59 HRC. The grind is almost completely flat. The blade inscription M380. Opening with a flipper. Ceramic ball bearings. Liner lock. The handle is also made of titanium and silver grey, I don't know. Bear's logo here. Titanium pocket clip. And a hole for paracord. In summary, truly well made knives. The mechanics are flawless. Generally, there is nothing to complain about. Both knives come with the bit drivers for adjustment. Nice touch, considering that the rather unusual screws. That's all. Thanks for watching.